inside this $100 million mega factory. Every single day, over 10,000 tons of raw cassava are swallowed by this automated food fortress. A humble root undergoes a hyper-technological transformation.
Welcome to the future of food engineering. What you are about to see defies everything you know about agriculture.
Every single day, over 10,000 tons of raw cassava are swallowed by this automated food fortress.
Raw cassava naturally carries cyanide compounds. Our automated labs ensure total elimination before processing.
AI-driven optical sorters scan every single root in milliseconds, eliminating any anomalies instantly.
Once cleared by the lab, the clean roots are pushed into massive holding silos to feed the primary processing lines. First, the toxic soil and impurities must be blasted away using a closed-loop, high-pressure water system.
To maintain a continuous flow, the main intake splits the product into multi-channel processing streams. Engineers calculated the precise structural physics of the root to design an automated skin removal system. Thermal conditioning is applied next, expanding the outer layers to make mechanical separation effortless. This factory operates under hyper-sterile conditions, mimicking advanced pharmaceutical plants.
This is where the real engineering starts. We are entering the main peeling matrix. Keep your eyes on the speed.
Engineers calculated the precise structural physics of the root to design an automated skin removal system. Zero downtime is allowed. The factory's smart routing system bypasses blockages in real time. Every parameter is perfectly controlled before the product hits the critical peeling phase. The roots now descend into the high-security core of the facility, where peeling technology breaks records.
Everything is primed. The primary processing matrix is now fully engaged.
This starch is incredibly dense. To break it down efficiently, we don't use old metal crushers anymore. We use lasers.
No human hands touch the product, ensuring absolute sterile conditions required for high-value Western markets. By optimizing efficiency here, we create a high-grade product ready to dominate premium global markets. Traditional peeling is slow and wasteful. Here, custom-engineered peeling chambers strip the skin in 0.4 seconds. Laser cutting guarantees uniform sizes, which is absolutely crucial for the upcoming molecular extraction process. The cubes are continuously washed and stabilized, preserving the maximum purity of the native starch grains. Advanced machine vision inspects the internal density of every single cube, rejecting anything below prime grade.
This isn't just water, this is a highly concentrated slurry. From this point on, everything moves under extreme hydraulic pressure.
The uniform cubes enter the high-pressure rasping mills, spinning at supersonic speeds to fracture the plant cells. The uniform cubes enter the high-pressure rasping mills, spinning at supersonic speeds to fracture the plant cells. Multiple washing stages follow, using deionized water to rinse away any remaining organic plant sugars. This cellular rupture frees the starch granules, separating them instantly from the fibrous plant network. The resulting high-purity starch milk is collected in massive stainless steel stabilization vats, ready for extraction.
We measure density at every single station. If the water-to-starch ratio is off by even a fraction, the automated valves correct it instantly.
Behind these walls run over 50 miles of custom piping. It's a continuous closed-loop ecosystem engineered for peak extraction.
Every stage is designed to scale, handling massive fluid volumes without sacrificing product consistency. Continuous automated sampling feeds data directly back to the neural network system managing the plant. Computer-controlled manifolds regulate the volumetric flow rate to match the exact processing capacity of the centrifuges. We are now entering the heart of mechanical separation, where extreme G-forces redefine processing efficiency. The system prepares the next phase. High-velocity extraction is about to isolate the pure starch crystals. Inside these high-velocity vortex chambers, centrifugal force at 3,000 Gs separates the pure starch instantly. The advanced engineering required to handle this dense liquid mass utilizes aerospace-grade titanium alloys.
Inside this unit, the solid blocks are turned back into a fine, damp powder in milliseconds. The surface area must be perfectly maximized for the drying tower.
Using positive pressure pneumatic transport, the damp powder is launched upward through a network of vertical air conduits.
Heavy mechanical scrapers harvest the dense starch cake, dropping it directly into secondary high-speed granulation units.
The starch milk is then fed onto high-capacity vacuum belt filters, instantly extracting 80% of the remaining surface moisture.
Smart routing valves balance the continuous powder volume across multiple parallel streams to avoid internal pipe friction.
We are approaching the flash drying towers. This is where the damp starch is permanently transformed into an ultra-stable, long-lasting premium powder.
Starch powder suspended in air can actually be highly explosive. That's why we use custom electrostatic grounding fields at every junction to eliminate all static risk.
Massive automated thermal generators ignite, producing high-velocity clean air streams reaching extreme operating temperatures.
Advanced acoustic monitoring calculates mass flow rates in real time, matching extraction volume with drying capacity. Precision digital safety manifolds regulate thermal input, ensuring a perfectly stable drying environment. Automated maintenance subsystems protect critical components, injecting high-tech synthetic lubricants in real time.
The sound up here is absolute chaos. Millions of cubic feet of hot air are rushing through this tower every minute to dry the starch instantly.
The moment of contact is immediate. The moisture flash vaporizes, leaving a pristine, bone-dry premium flour. Standing over 4 stories tall, the massive flash drying complex processes tons of material without a single human intervention. In less than 2 seconds, internal moisture drops from 40% to 12%, transforming wet starch into premium flour. The hot flour is instantly fluidized using chilled air, stabilizing the material temperature to prepare it for high-speed sifting. The dry powder enters advanced plan sifters, vibrating at high frequencies to sort out the exact particle micron size. Next comes the flash drying. The refined starch slurry is atomized and blasted into a supersonic stream of hot air at nearly 400 degrees.
This flash cooling stage stops the cooking process immediately. It guarantees that our starch maintains its perfect molecular structure and unmatched solubility.
Laser diffraction arrays analyze the particle metrics, ensuring a uniform texture that meets strict international standards.
Contamination is impossible here. Every single ounce of flour passes through a 10,000 Gauss rare earth magnetic matrix to pull out microparticles.
Modified atmosphere packaging technology is prepared, using nitrogen flushing to prevent any oxidation or shelf degradation. The verified premium flour is pneumatically blown into enormous storage silos, awaiting the high-speed automated packaging lines.
We are entering the final stage, high-speed robotic packaging. This is where precision engineering guarantees that our product is sealed for global delivery. Every single bag is checked for weight accuracy down to the gram. If a bag is off by a tiny fraction, it's pushed off the line instantly.
High-speed vertical packing nozzles fill multiply industrial bags with mathematical accuracy in under a second. Ultrasonic welding seals the packaging permanently, completely eliminating the need for adhesives or stitching. Heavy industrial robotic palletizers stack the bags with geometric precision, maximizing pallet stability for sea transit. Pallets are immediately wrapped in heavy-duty stretch film, sealing the entire batch from external environmental changes. High-density automated storage systems store thousands of tons of ready product, maintaining complete organization over global inventory.
This warehouse requires 0 human staff. These intelligent AGV forklifts communicate through a private 5G network to
driverless logistics vehicles execute the loading sequence, using laser guidance grids to navigate into container interiors with sub-inch accuracy. The final phase is now active. The automated outbound loading docks open up, linking the factory core directly to international global shipping channels.
The automated manifest clears the batch. High-grade industrial flour is ready to move from the plant core to the international logistics docks.
We are inside a standard ocean container bound for Rotterdam. This entire space will be packed solid by robots in less than 15 minutes, completely touchless.
Real-time data synchronization updates the global supply chain ledger, allowing Western buyers to track their batch origin instantly.
With the cargo space filled and verified, the container units are permanently locked and sealed for long-distance international export.
From a simple raw tropical root to a high-purity, high-value industrial ingredient used across global markets. This is modern food engineering at its absolute peak. We run a true zero-waste ecosystem. What standard factories discard as waste, we transform back into industrial energy to cut our operating costs in half.
Transforming global agriculture, one mega factory at a time.
The entire infrastructure is monitored by cloud AI, adapting production speeds based on real-time international market demand. Even the waste is engineered. Every ounce of organic peel is converted on-site into clean biogas to help power the drying towers.
A continuous cycle of maximum efficiency, engineering every step to perfection.
Random automated batch audits guarantee that every single container sent across the ocean is of flawless, premium quality.
This seamless architecture is why this facility defines the next decade of heavy industrial food manufacturing. Engineering precision, global scale. This is how the modern world secures its industrial food supply.
95% of the process water is reclaimed and sterilized within a closed loop, drastically reducing the facility's environmental footprint.
The operation never stops. As this shipment heads to the port, the next batch is already entering the intake bays. See you on the next project.